we are doing a multicultural cooking activity. That means we are cooking food from different places. We're going to learn about different cultures, try new foods. One class will make milk candy. This one is from the Philippines. Before you go to do the cooking, some rules and safety. Listen very carefully to the instructions. Today you will use knives and hot water. Chickpea salad is from